baller. Take one. Action. That's a wrap.
What's up, babies? Welcome back to another video. My name is Kay and this is KROWNEDBALLER. First things first, before we even get into this video, if you're not already subscribed to my YouTube channel, it's almost like at this point in 2023, what are we doing? Hit that red subscribe button down below. Join our team. Come send an adventure. We would love to have you here, of course. Also follow me on all of my social medias if you're not doing so already. Like, we lit over there. We want you to be lit too. Like, come through. They will be on the screen. If not, they'll be in the description box below. Y'all know how this goes. Without any further ado, let's get into this video. Oh God. So as you guys can tell from the title, if you guys can't see on my eyes already, not the dog interrupting. Feed it back up. Feed it back up. So as you guys can tell from the title, we're here to talk about my lashes. I attempted to do my lashes for the very first time. Now, normally if you've been on my channel before, I do have a lot of DIY lash extensions at home, trying different lash clusters at home and trying different glues as well. This time I actually tried some professional, like, individual lashes. I got this little lash kit on Amazon, and of course everything I use in this video will be down in the description box, so make sure you guys check that out. The only thing that I will say about these lashes, so I don't know if you guys can see this, but they are a C curl and they're in 0.15. The number in front of the letter normally means the thickness of the lash itself. These lashes are so thick, so you guys can see on my eyes, like, they're pretty thick. So before we get into the video, I just wanted to show you guys exactly what my little setup is and what I will be using in this video. Of course, you're going to need tweezers. I have the pointy tweezers, the straight ones for separation, and then the actual slanted, like, square one for picking up my lashes and applying them, of course. I have a little spoolie because we're brushing out the lashes before, after, during. I have a fan that I can use. If you're using like professional lash glue, you're not really going to use the fan as often, but because we're doing this on ourselves and we're being completely safe, I'm using the Ardell lashtite dark adhesive. This is just a bigger bottle, so that's why it looks different. And then last but not least, we have our lashes here. Now these are from B&Q Lash. I did get these from Amazon. Everything will be listed down below so you guys can see. Here is what I've been using so far. So I go in with a couple 15s first, then I skip to 13s. I use some 12s, 11s, and then a couple 9s and 10s. So as you guys can see, I do have one eye done already. So this is her close up. I do want to be realistic with you guys and let you know that this did take about an hour and a half. Granted, this is my very first time attempting this, so I was taking my time, trial and error. I messed up on a few places. I think that it looks okay. It does look wild though. That's the only thing that I'm struggling with, but I like it for the first try. I'm just going to begin my second eye with you guys, and then we're kind of gonna just hop into it. I'm gonna voice over the rest of this video so you guys can see. So I have one of my little, like, glue pocket rings. I have it glued to my table so that I can just work a little bit faster, but I'm actually just gonna put a little bit in here, a small dot of the glue. Okay, babe, so we're just gonna hop straight into actually applying these lashes. I'm just showing you guys how I pick up the lash. So I've been taking about 1 to 3 lashes depending on where I am in my little application, but the first set, like the first couple lashes, are going to be 15s, and then I apply them just sporadically through my eyes. I do apologize for, like, the quality. You guys can't really see me applying these lashes, but later on in the video I do show you guys kind of like a close-up of me actually applying them. But yeah, I just wanted to share kind of like the mapping of how I'm doing the lashes. So once I dip the lash into the glue, I scrape off the sides and then the very front of the lash, because all we want is the back of the lash to be in glue, and then we're going to place it on our actual lash. So at the beginning of me applying these lashes, I am literally just placing them where I can see them. Like I don't really need to get the other set of tweezers to separate or anything, because I'm literally just placing them on the very top lashes. So you guys can kind of see I'm building up these lashes so far. And again, these are the 15s. So I kind of go in with 15s and then I make my way to 13s. I use a few 12s and I go to 11s, and then in the corners I use the 9s and 10s. I'm not really sure what, and here I am showing you guys the 13s, me going in with the 13s, but I'm not really sure what type of eye I was trying to create. I knew I wanted a wispy eye with a little bit of volume, but like, girl, I didn't really know. I was just trying something out, what I knew. So you guys can see that these lashes are pretty thick. I believe I had 2 right here. So this is further into me applying the lashes, and this was like my first little layer. Kind of, you see that I'm getting thick. So now I'm into like the thickness. I've applied a few more layers of these lashes, and this is where I have actually separated and added a lot more. So I'm just gonna come back and talk to you guys after I finish brushing out my lashes. I think it's pretty good. Like, I'm pretty impressed with myself, I'm not gonna lie. First timer, DIYer, we're saving money all 2023 and beyond. Here are my lashes. Let me know what you guys think about them in the comment section below. Again, all the products that I use will be down in the description box, as well as my Amazon storefront link, so you guys can check that out. Make sure you get all my lash essentials and all of that good stuff or whatever. Okay, so I don't know if you guys could have seen in the video, I know the camera angles were really off in the video, so I just wanted to come back and like show you guys. I was just trying to find some places that I missed earlier just because I was rushing, and I'm gonna try to like let you guys see them actually on camera. So when I'm trying to look for a lash, I just kind of graze through. I just use my tweezers to kind of move the lashes around and kind of pick, and then once I find one, I open my tweezers just a little bit and kind of get that hair, and then I push the tweezers so that I can see the lash clearly. I don't know if you guys can see it. I like to pick up 2 to 3 lashes, and then I use these to separate, and then I place the lash down. I find it easier to hold the lashes like, to hold the tweezers like this once I pick them up. The good thing about this glue is that it takes some time to dry. It's not like the professional lash glue where it's gonna dry within 3 seconds of you placing the lash, so you have to kind of move fast. This is gonna give you some time to kind of fix the mistakes that you made. I do think that that is a plus to this glue, but on the other side of that, it takes a long time to dry. So that is the other side. My right eye, because I did it second, was like my better eye, even though it does still look crazy. It was my better eye. Okay, so again, I'm trying to show you guys like how I'm actually applying the individual lashes and how I find the lashes that, my natural lashes that don't have a lash on them. And also, like I said, if you make a mistake with this glue, the good thing about this lash glue, which is perfectly safe for at home and DIYers, you have a lot of drying time. So you have time to like literally fix your mistakes that you make on your lashes, which is what I did a lot of the times. Some of the lashes like were falling apart, like you can see here. They were kind of falling down once I applied them, so I could actually pick them up, lift them up off my lash, and fix them how I needed to fix them. But with that being said, with the glue, I definitely recommend that you have a dryer with you, like a little fan that I was showing you guys earlier in the video. Definitely recommend that. And also when I'm applying these lashes, like some of them I applied a little too close to the end of like the root of my natural lash. I definitely don't recommend that, especially from the videos that I watched. You definitely want to apply it close to the base of the natural lash, but not on directly to the natural lash, because one, it won't stay. It's like close to your skin too, so it won't stay as long on your natural lash. And when your lashes grow out, it'll be hard for them to grow out as well. So I'm not a professional. I just did a lot of research, and your girl, like when I take my time with something or when I want to do something, I definitely like do my research and really look into it so that I know that I'm doing it safely. The last step, I'm just gonna brush out everything that I have so far. Because these lashes are so thick, it's like they have a mind of their own. I'm trying to trick them when I brush them to conform to my way. My right eye is definitely giving a little bit more life and conformness than my left one. I think that is it. Tell me what you guys think down in the comments.